What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually going to be going over some of the mods that I have on the car. Okay, and the idea for this video actually came from one of the homies. Was watching the homie Country Boy Mods. He was going over all the mods on his 2019 Altima, I believe it is. Might have the year wrong, sorry about that if I do. But it's a 6th gen Altima. I'm going to put a link in the description below for his video, so you can definitely check that out. But I'm just going to kind of go over what I have done to the car. Now, I have some friends who recently stated they don't believe mods or anything other than performance modifications. But I know there's quite a few people who disagree with that and say anything that you use to modify your car is a mod. So we're going to go with that because I don't really have performance modifications with my CVT here. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, first thing I have is a dirt mod. I'm just kidding, I do need to wash the car though. But go out on the outside arrow here. I have a raggedy eBay front splitter that needs to be replaced, some eBay side skirts, and the eBay fin flares here. All the parts that are from eBay, I will not have a link to those because they change so often, because the sellers only have them up for so long before they are removed and they gotta re-upload them or whatever it is. But yeah, look, these parts are for eBay. They come up pretty quick. It's not too hard to find them. I do have these carbon fiber door handles. They're from eBay. You can see they're just handles, they clip on. They do have some gloss black ones, which I did not realize when I got these, because if I did, I would have just got the gloss black ones. But the carbon fiber pattern, and it looks pretty good. So I don't regret it or anything, but I think just fitting the car, the gloss black would have been a better touch. I do have R1 Concepts rotors drilled and slotted. I have custom paint on the brake caliper. Those are stock brakes basically, just their pads on it. I do have gloss black vinyl on the pillars because normally that's not gloss black, that's like a matte. Actually, it's kind of like this material here. So yeah, I got the gloss black for these. There, that's eBay as well. Got these EOS visors, see if you can see that. Got that from eBay. The ones I had before actually went above on that strip. It was kind of cool because it covered a little bit of the chrome, but I actually like this look more. The other ones actually were a little better because I feel like it kept out more rain because it came down a little further. But I like the way this one looks a lot more. Alright, on to the front, I have a custom badgeless grill. I went with the gloss black one. There's also a matte black one. I seen a carbon fiber one, but I'm not sure if it was real carbon fiber or wrapped or dipped or what the case is. But got that from eBay as well. Can't really see right now, but I do have last fit LED fog lights. I believe mine, I have the 2017 Midnight Edition, and it came with the LED headlights, but the fog lights were not LED, so I just upgraded that. And of course got the daytime running lights. The wheels, those are Vertinis. I believe they're RFS 1.5s. 20 by 10, positive 35 offset all around on some 245 35 20 tires. These are Lexanis, nothing really special. I don't need to worry about performance or anything. I do have the roof wrapped gloss black. The mirrors and the spoiler are stock and they were gloss black. Let's go to the back. I have a single 2015 Scar SDR custom box. Of course, I am on air suspension as well, and I have wood floors. I need to get another, well, probably gonna get another compressor. I don't know. As soon as I use it, it basically automatically start putting air in it. It feels like so it kicks in almost right away. It gets a little annoying, but it works. It's not bad. Now I do also have underglow. It's a Amazon kit. Well, a kit I got off of Amazon. The link to Amazon stuff will be in the description. I do have, what else? Let's see. The star headliner, can't really see with this lighting. Also, I have interior lighting, can't see with the current lighting as well. This is usually my ride height here, but of course we can pull the air out. Now this is it's pretty much it. I don't really have a whole bunch done to this car. Oh, I do have custom exhaust, well, mufflers. I went with the Vibrant 1046 mufflers. Let's see, can we see it? I honestly love the look of those mufflers, and that was the main reason I got them. I didn't know how it was gonna sound, but it came out pretty good. I didn't want the car to be crazy loud. I still have my resonator. I could definitely get rid of that, but I really didn't want it to be loud. I just kind of wanted it to be enough where I can hear it when I do my remote start. Oh yeah, got some lights in the trunk too. And the Stillen rear diffuser. Almost forgot about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I have no real performance mods. I don't even have an intake or anything on it. There's a few other things I wanted to do, but yeah, like if you've been rocking with the channel, you know I'm not too sure how long I'm gonna have the car. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the mods on my 2017. It's a 2.5, by the way, Midnight Edition Nissan Altima. This was the one before they did the 2017.5, because the 0.5 they added the Android Auto and the better infotainment system, and the 2018 has better badges and they are a little more blacked out. I believe their stock grill was blacked out a little more. Was actually blacked out some. The stock one for this was not. But yeah, I haven't really had any issues with the car. Just things that I've caused really, and they haven't even been major. So definitely love the car. I am only getting rid of it because I want to get something that's going to help grow the channel a lot more. Was thinking about picking up a project, but with that new Z coming out soon, I think I might just jump into that. But it's definitely going to be in the future. But definitely let me know what you guys think about the car. What's your favorite mod? Do you consider the mods? What side do you stand on that? Now this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do another call out video just yet. Yeah, we'll probably hold off on doing more call outs. I want to make sure the homies actually hold up their end of the bargain for the other ones before we start calling out more people or calling them out again. So, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Don't forget, the merch link is in the description below if you want to get some Fitted Squad merch, or if you want to get only Nissan, only Infiniti, only whatever. We have almost every car brand except for exotics. Do have only Euro. Don't have every single European model, but you get the gist. We got a lot of stuff on the merch site, which is bradvisions.com. We'll be having a new drop here pretty soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.